Now let's drive away. African countries are now experiencing a rapid increase in the adoption of electric vehicles in a bid to achieve sustainable transport and reduce emission of greenhouse gases. This even as the second e-mobility conference 2024 kicked off today, bringing together various players and think tanks to discuss emerging trends on the sector. Key amongst them being development of a regulatory framework, research and development, accessibility, standardization, safety, and quality assurance.
Our hope and dream is to have, by the year 2030, to have 100% accessibility to electricity. That is in terms of access. Number two is in terms of costs. Believe you me, and I have said, when you compare the costs of running a vehicle, a cost of running a border, using electricity and using fossil fuel, ladies and gentlemen, you save up to 70% of your costs when you're using electricity as opposed to using fossil fuel. So what is cheaper? Which one is cheaper? What is cheaper is electricity, and what we need to speak to, and that is why we are increasing this awareness.
Introducing this preferential tariff for charging is very important because you're able to generate demand at the middle of the night when people are not using power, and during the day you're able to release the other users to use the same power, so to keep it at a fairly stable level. What that does also is for our grid becomes more robust, because at the end of the day, you are not having too high fluctuations which cause the grid to destabilize, and that's why you find sometimes something like the national blackout. When the destabilization is to a large extent, then the grid collapses. So